Hello, everyone. Back with an IRS tax refund update. We are monitoring the latest developments this tax season as the latest batch of tax refunds have now been issued, with reports coming in from taxpayers that those direct deposits are reaching their bank accounts. So, we're going to take a look at that, as well as those taxpayers who continue to experience delays when it comes to the processing of their tax returns and tax refunds, with some now not expecting a resolution till summer, and we're less than 1 week away from the tax filing deadline. The latest developing news this tax season is that the April 13th batch of tax refunds have now been issued and transmitted to banks nationwide. Taxpayers who have accounts with Chase, Credit Karma, TD Bank, Wells Fargo, and Chime were among the first to confirm that those direct deposits have in fact reached their accounts as scheduled. While a majority that are part of this batch will receive those deposits the day of, some taxpayers can expect to wait an additional 1 to 2 days to post to their accounts. If you're part of this latest batch and do not receive your refund by April 18th, you may need to initiate a payment trace with the IRS to locate that refund. If the IRS receives that direct deposit back as rejected, they will issue out a paper check to the address on file. Meanwhile, taxpayers continue to report delays in the processing of their tax returns and issuing of refunds. Now, this is happening despite 97% of all submitted tax returns so far being processed this tax season. Now, do note there are several reasons why you may be experiencing delays with the processing of refunds, aside from extended processing times, and they include incorrect tax credit amounts entered on the tax return, ID verification needed, or wage information that does not match what the IRS has on file. A significant number of taxpayers this season have reported having their tax refund placed on hold due to ID verification, many of whom were not aware this was the issue causing the delay until they reached the IRS by phone or spoke to a taxpayer advocate. If you're subject to ID verification, you're supposed to be mailed out the 5071C letter as seen here, but in a number of instances, impacted taxpayers are reported not receiving it, causing to the confusion. Another growing reason for refund delays is that the wage information you have entered on your tax return does not match what the IRS has on file. Again, numerous instances being reported where the IRS has not received wage information from the taxpayer's employer, which is causing a conflict reconciling those tax returns. Impacted taxpayers may receive the CP05 or CP05A letter as seen here. If you receive the CP05 letter, do be prepared to send in copies of pay stubs which will substantiate the wage information you have previously entered on your tax returns. Another way to confirm your employer has submitted your wage information is by going to the Social Security Administration website, creating an account if you do not have one already, and accessing your earnings record as seen here. If the SSA does not have any 2021 wage information, then it means the IRS will most likely not have that as well, and you should immediately confirm with your company's payroll department by first ensuring they have the correct Social Security number on file. For those still needing to verify your identity in order to have that tax refund processed, the fastest way to do so is going to the irs.gov website and creating an ID.me account as seen here. Make sure to have a valid photo ID and your 2021 tax returns accessible to complete the process. If you're not able to complete the process online or by phone, you will need to schedule an appointment at your local IRS office to complete the verification. Let us know in the comments section below what problem you're currently experiencing and if you received your refund as of yet. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.